Hey, good afternoon, Peter. So here's your pipe ready to go. Okay, so I'm just gonna zoom out here so you can see it all. So it's 12 lengths. You can see not much of a flat spot. So I said when you put it down your floor in your shop, make sure that you pick the best 90-degree arc that you want. Okay, and then chop it where you want to. Okay. Meanwhile, let's go through the shop. So you can see here we got stuff staged outside here. I've got two bays here in my facility. This is the new bay I built in 2006, and that's the old bay. So we're going to go start off here. You see lots of stuff. So here I've got cantilevers tacked together. I've got parts here with special magnesium welding. I've got trailer bodies. I've got stairs here that we're doing for a customer. You can see if we do the half-inch plate form. That's pretty accurate stuff there with a template. Here's pipe clamps for another customer that we're doing. Lots of pipe clamps. Here are some aluminum extrusions that we're going to be machining later this month. And we do man baskets. So you can see man baskets in process here. Here we're walking through our shearing department, 12-foot shear. Here we're doing welding. You see we fabricate these tanks. So we're fabricating hydraulic tanks. Here we're welding molds. These are molds that we formed up. So here Andrew's welding up some long parts. You can see here the accuracy here. These are offset parts we've formed out of 11 gauge, and they're making long weldments here on our German welding tables. Here you can see another fellow doing welding. Here's a CNC saw, a small press brake, another saw. Here's the trailer bodies. Here they're machining. So they're machining on our CNC machine. So it's a 16-foot long, but we can actually do 20 feet here. So Akil is machining all these bars. He's putting a nice radius on them. See that? That's a radius on these bars. The lathe, a drill press. Here, Alex is putting parts together, putting little inserts into parts. Here's a rolls. They're covered to protect them, but these are plate rolls. Here, I'll just take it off so you can see. So we can do some really heavy rolling. You see that? Isn't that beautiful? There are 4 plate rolls, so 2 in the center and 1 on either side. Okay, and then these are it's an Italian machine, and with that machine we can roll up to 3/4 inch by 10-foot wide plate. Here's they're cleaning parts, they're packaging parts for a customer. Here Akil is doing cleaning of the parts. Here's long heavy-duty weldments. These are, I think they're for mining, I think. There, Johnny's doing other fabrications. Painting. So here's parts that we painted earlier today. And these are parts that we rolled as well. That's our paint booth back there. And now, I'll take you over here. Here's a beveling station. With this machine, we actually do beveling. Here's angle and plate rolls. Here, Dave is setting up the plasma. He's going to be cutting some plates. He actually just cut some plates here, see? So he's just quality checking it, making sure everything's accurately done. And here, the trailers are being assembled. So we're doing the assembly of the trailers. Under the mezzanine, I've got lots of equipment here, Peter. So here under the mezzanine, keeping in mind we're a fab shop, it's not as clean as but you got small sheet metal rolls, small bench top rolls, a PEB sorting machine for doing PEB sorting, a bead roller, to do beads on tanks. And then here, we've got another plate rolls. These are smaller ones. All right? And then pause here for a second. And then over here, we've got lots of steel. Lots of plate in stock. Here, and it's all marked with part numbers, or sorry, heat numbers. So we got it all stored here, different sizes, different thicknesses, different large plates. You can see there's our large plates here. Here's our bending department. So you saw the small press brake in the other room. Well, this here you've got a 250 ton by 10 foot. Here you got a 900 ton by 20 foot, 350 ton by 14 foot, and then two 10 footers. One is 180 tons. You see up right in the corner here, and this one's 165, and this one's 9-axis. So the fingers are independent on this one, so we can bend cones and all sorts of things on this machine. The two fingers in the back move separately. One can be higher, lower, one can be further, one can be back, and so on. And they're all Civilec control, so my staff, they know how to operate all 5 presses. If you learn on one, the Civilec system, then you can operate any of the presses. So here you can see they're bending upstairs. And I even have over here, even a horizontal press, showing some of the equipment that we've set up here. So they're bending these parts here. They're taking this and making it into this. You see it? All right? And then we make a lot of our own tooling. So if you can, whatever you design, we can make it in terms of tooling for bending. I have over $1 million. Yes, over $1 million of tooling. All right. So there you go, Peter. That's a tour of my shop. Okay. Hey, thank you.